We are pleased to offer you a glimpse of our 2 Portland area accelerated BSN learning sites. Our Nursing Skills Center is located on Portland's west side near Beaverton, while our Nursing Innovation Center is on the city's northeast side near the Columbia River. Both of our ABSN learning sites allow you to practice what you're learning online in an authentic clinical setting. Here, you'll attend nursing skills labs. In Skills Lab, you'll practice hands-on nursing skills, such as checking vital signs, inserting IVs, and tracheotomy care. The lab helps you to build confidence in performing various procedures before you're tasked with caring for real patients. CSP faculty will be there to supervise and guide you as you hone these practical skills. Simulation labs challenge you to use your clinical judgment to make real-time patient care decisions, all in a controlled environment. Simulation labs begin with learning the patient's history. Depending on the scenario, your patient might be a fellow classmate or a lifelike mannequin that displays visible symptoms. As you treat a mannequin, your instructor will control its symptoms and responses from behind the scenes. This allows you to practice choosing which patient care steps to take and gives you the experience of prioritizing them in real time. These labs challenge you to apply what you've learned in online study to realistic but safe clinical scenarios. Whatever material you're covering in your coursework, be it kidney disease, pulmonary issues, or heart failure, that's the type of ailment you may be caring for in Simulation Lab. Following each Simulation Lab, your instructor will hold a debriefing session for all students, so you can review what went well and what could be improved. This allows you to learn from your combined experiences. Skills and Simulation Labs are key components of your accelerated nursing education at CSP. They safely bridge the gap between online study and clinical patient care. Visit absn.csp.edu to learn how you can begin your life-changing career as a nurse.